Hello, crafty friends. It's your girl Tranae, and I am back. Yay! I had to take a break, so I've been gone for like a month off of YouTube. But I have been on Instagram, so if you're following me on Instagram, you got to see some posts from me. But you guys, over the last month, I just had to get myself together, get my mental well-being together, and take care of myself. Had to indulge in some good old self-care and get myself back to 100%. And I think I'm good now. So that's where I've been. So as you can see, I still have been crafting. I still been planning. So I wanted to jump on today and give you a flip through of my February planner because it was so cute. I could not bear to not share it, like, for real. So I am in a traveler notebook size planner that I created for myself. It is made from paper that I picked up at, I think, Hobby Lobby or either Michael's. And I laminated using some, no, it's not even heavy duty laminate, but it's just laminate, honestly, with my at-home laminator. And then I got these cords from Hobby Lobby and I created my notebooks. So let's move this. Oh, and check out my charms. So I'm all charmed up, you guys. Let's zoom in for a bit. This one, we have Simon, and he has some flowers because this is from last year's February's Cocoa Daisy kit, and I just thought it was so cute. I pulled it out. I love their little charms whenever they have the kits that you get the charms with. I love these because they're metal and they last for good, for like ever, I guess. And then over here this month they gave Simon in the regular kit, and I think Betty came in the add-on. So I got both of them, and they are chilling out over there, flirting and talking it up, and I just thought that was cute. And the cool thing about their charms is really you can use them all year round. But, you know, it's up to you. So on the top of my planner, we have Simon with his heart, you know, right there, just giving his heart away. He giving it away, y'all. He needs somebody to take it. He trying to get Betty, but she playing games. All right, so let's get into the planner. So when you open it up, I have a pocket on the side, and then I just have like this little journaling card that came with the add-on kit, and I thought this was too funny, and it just has never trust and Adam. They make up everything. I thought that was hilarious, so of course I had to add it in there. And then I just got this little tag that came with the kit, and I stuck it in here as well. And I use these like little planner pockets that I picked up at Michael's, and I just stick them right on there, and they're like super cheap, like $2 or something like that. And then this was some paper that was like for packaging, but it was too cute to throw away, so I threw it in there. This is my notepad. I have it stuck on here so that if I just need to grab a notepad, I can. It's there. So the way I create my papers is I get a unpunched A5, the planner kit, and me and my mom share it. So this is the dashboard. Because I use a different size, I did have to fold it so it's not quite centered like it would usually be, but it looks really good. I like it. It's not bothering me or whatever. So I have that dashboard, and it has the tab to let me know it's February. And I thought this was so cute because he's just raining hearts. It's raining. He making it rain on Betty with the hearts. So I thought that was cute. And I think this this kit is like called We Got Chemistry or something like that. So on the inside, I just have the month at a glance, and it's super bright, so you guys can't see that. But let me zoom in. So you can see it's like the little month at a glance. And then this is just a page that I was going to put some currently type stuff on, but I never got around to it. So I might just keep it for like the end of the month and do some currentlies on there. I don't know. My goal when I put this together is to do the currently from the beginning of the month here, and then in the back of the planner do the, you know, currentlies for the end of the month. but I didn't get to do that this time. So first, this is like the first week of February. I kind of keep my layout still the same, but this is this week, the second week of February, and this is what my, I guess, author the pen looks like. I don't do a whole lot of embellishing just because the paper is so pretty. Like, it doesn't really require much. So this does have like a little wheel on here. That's how I come with, but to me that's like that's a lot of room to just have for decoration. So, and it's cute, don't get me wrong, it's cute, but I can do a lot more with that that property space. So I took one of the pages from the notepads that has salmon on there, and I just taped it on here, and these were my weekly focus. And as you can see, some of them I checked off, the majority of them I haven't finished yet. I will be finished with most of them by the end of today, and probably all except for one, because that's something that's work related. But I got this down. This was like one of my tasks, was to apply for 2 jobs. Some ish is going on with where I currently work. And you know how sometimes you can see the writing on the wall, and it's, you know, you got to be proactive and get yourself out there because we having some money issues. And when you work for a nonprofit agency and the money starts getting, you know, like super duper tight, sometimes you gotta run. Because, you know, money can dry up at any given notice, and I just need my paycheck, you know, I just need it. So I'm applying for jobs. I'm looking again. So down here I have a little chart, and I don't know if you can see it. Those are supposed to be like little hearts. And this is like my medicine tracker to make sure that I am taking my meds every single day. And then I have like my little hydration sticker. As you can see, I did horrible this week on water. I don't lie, like this is honestly what I did. So that's where I am with the water. And then I just write over here like in my regular handwriting. These are like the to-dos that I'm going to do that day. I like to keep this section blank into the day of, and then I come up with what I'm doing that particular day. I don't like try to pre-fill it out. So that area pretty much stays clear just so it can grow with me. It's more so for me to keep track of my time and to-dos. So that's how that works out. All right, so that brings us to, let's flip. I'll come back to that. So in the back of here, I do have like another one of those little pockets that I can use to put stuff in. I really do enjoy those pockets. So if you're ever at Michael's, pick you up some. They really do work. And I like them. You get a couple of them in a pack too. So I stuck these in the back, and I have some tabs back there. I have a little washi tape on one of those packaging things, and that's just, you know, a way to carry around washi tape without carrying around the whole thing. And all right, so that's pretty much the end of that little book. And this is one of the inserts that I purchased, and this is my February. As you can see, it's not much on here. I just like having like the big layout to tell the dates, and then I do have like some birthdays and appointments on there, but not too much going on this month. Like I said, this month was an off month for me, or so far it's been all about resting and getting my A game back together, getting my headspace ready. So this is undated, which I love, because if I decide that I want to change planner size, I don't have to worry about wasting space. All right, so that is that. Over here, I have a folder that I created, and this is where I keep like my stickers and stuff so that I can plan on the go if I want to. I also have some stencils in here. I use these sometimes. I don't really use them a whole lot, but I do like them. And over here, I have all the stickers that came with this month's kit and add-on kit and all that stuff. And, you know, I have some of those little cards and everything. So I love those. I love their stickers. I honestly didn't think I was that into stickers. Like, my mom was always like so into stickers, and I was just like, stickers. But man, let me tell you guys, I have gotten so into stickers like the last 2 months that is ridiculous. I want all the stickers now. All right, and then back here I have my Becoming Fab insert where I write down ideas as they come to me throughout, and I just love this insert. Like, once I use this up, I'm gonna be so sad because I just really love the way I decorated this. I just love it. It's just so me. And I think it's amazing. All right, so in the back I have more stickers. Well, these are actually the die cuts, so I take that back. I have the die cuts, and what I do is I make my die cut stickers. I run them through my Xyron Creative Station, and that way, like when I'm like planning on the go and I'm not at home, they already have adhesive on it and I can just use it. I also have these little puffer stickers that came in the kit, and they are back here as well. So that is my planner for this month. I am about to take some time and set up my plans for this week. And this week will be here. Yay! All right, so that is it for me today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and like it, hit that button, go ahead and share it with your crafty friends because they need some creative inspiration and some fun time. Share your fun time. Like, don't be stingy with the craft fun time. Share it. Go ahead and share this video. And if this is your first time joining me, thank you so much for watching. I hope you hit that subscribe button and then click that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post videos. It's been so awesome hanging out with you guys today. I will see you in the next one. Peace.